Welcome back to my channel. So this is Coco. My room is currently a mess and this is where I usually film, but for today I'm actually gonna switch it and go to the living room instead. So I'm just grabbing my stuff so I can go to the living room or the kitchen to film. It's a little bit weird in my house. The living room is the kitchen. Maybe a little bit dark right now. It's almost nighttime. Kind of, not really. It's actually 5 o'clock. So yeah, I'm back here in my initial seat where I usually sat for my first few videos. I just shout out my friend for her birthday, but it's on Monday. Ah, Joanna. Pretty much what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do this hairstyle that I actually did last year. I did it last year, but then it started being a trend around like this year. So like the way I did my hair, I just randomly did it like that because I didn't want to do the full twist. Last year what I did, I was able to you know when you do I always forget the name, goddess locks. Yeah, you actually just use like curly hair and then you have to lock it. So then I was tired of that whole process because that took me like maybe 8 hours or more. So what I wanted to do was just the curly part. So what I did, I actually braided the top part and then I was able to go ahead and just do my whole head just braided, but then I left the end unraveled. But what I'm gonna do this time is called passion twist. For some reason, I don't know who comes up with these names for those type of hairstyle, like goddess locks, passion twist. So anyways, passion twist, whoever, if you know who invented those words, please let me know below in the comments down and I'll be able to like shout out this person in my next video or whatsoever, just so I know. Maybe somebody knows history here that I don't about like those names. So yeah, so pretty much this is what I'm gonna aim for. It's meaning like passion twist. So I'm gonna be like braiding the top and then just like adding the twist at the end. So I'm just doing this short intro and then at the end you're gonna see how my hair actually looks like. Also I haven't used shea butter. This is Taha 100% African shea butter. This is actually my first time using shea butter for my hair. So you could check the other video, that the link that's gonna pop out right now, so you can check some reviews about this. So I'm gonna open it in a little bit so you guys can see in the next video. So I'm gonna see how this actually works in my hair. I never used shea butter in my hair, so I'm gonna start using it religiously instead of like coconut butter, instead of coconut oil and some other oils. So I'm just gonna use this instead. So that's it. So let's get into it. So the hair that I'm gonna be using for today is going to be the Bohemian braid free tress. I wanted to take the 2 because it's actually similar to my hair color, but 4 also looks like my hair, so I figured I'll just take 4 because there was no more 2 left in the beauty store that I went, so I just ended up taking 4 instead. So I took the Bohemian 24-inch hair, so it's probably gonna reach like to my like boob length or something. So yeah, we'll see how long this is. I think this is what I used last time. It was pretty long and I liked it, but it's just the fact that it wasn't twisted at the end, so it was a bit like puffy. I'll probably just insert a picture right now so you guys can see, or a video to see how it looked like when I did it the first time. So that's it. I only took 3 packs. 1, 2, 3. And I also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell if you want to see any other hair videos. I haven't braided my hair in a whole year, literally, because the year before that I used to braid my hair almost every time. Everybody on my Instagram or Snapchat or any other social platform will know when I braid my hair, and I usually did that for a while. And this year I just mainly took the time to really know and how to manage my hair, so that's what I did this year. So keep watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Now is the effigy.